Skylinks GPS golf systems. Premium products that enhance golf and the business of golf. Thank you for taking the time to review the Skylinks video. Global positioning satellites are changing the game and the business of golf. You'll get a chance to learn more about the Skylinks GPS golf system. In a market that's evolved from yardage systems to business systems, Skylinks is a high-value GPS provider. Skylinks sets the industry standard in products, service, and financing. More about all that later, after we take a look at Skylinks in the news.
But, you know, I doubt that you do, but a long time ago, like, shafts were made out of wood. Then they went to metal, then aluminum. Well, now we're up to titanium. But there have been some other developments also. We thought we'd take a look at some of the high-tech developments in the golf industry. Now, one of the latest and greatest uses of high technology is with Skylinks. This year they have a new color panel. Here's how it works. The panel goes on your golf cart. It shows you where you are and where the green is, in case you can't see it from where you are. It won't find your ball for you, but it does let you see the hazards on the hole.
Available in color and black and white, Skylinks GPS Caddy systems are an elegant solution. These units are sleek and easy for your golfers to use. When combined with our Windows 95 management systems, Skylinks 98 adds immediate value to your course. Across the country, Skylinks is selected by course owners who seek the best. Our approach is a perfect fit for top courses and management companies. Our customers come back for more, and we're proud that each Skylinks site is our flagship. And every Skylinks client gets excellent value and proven returns from their system. On the course, Skylinks enhances play. Like a good caddy, Skylinks provides critical information presented at just the right moment without a lot of fuss. Golfers can concentrate on their game and execute their shots with confidence. Your golfers will love using Skylinks. All the information they seek is available and updated automatically. Pro notes, yardages, pin placements, and hole maps are all included and customized. Hands-free operation eliminates the need for instruction from your staff. Dash mounting allows Skylinks to enhance play without impeding play or blocking the view of your primary product, your facility. If your course is the star of the show, Skylinks fits with your operations. Let's not forget to mention the computing power of these units. Our one-button approach is backed by powerful software and hardware technology. Skylinks is packed with capabilities: high-resolution graphics, 3D green previews, automatic zoom control, precise positioning, and the list goes on. You can choose between breathtaking color graphics or monochrome displays. Skylinks offers the premier GPS caddies for your golfers. No other system on the market has the raw horsepower of the Skylinks system, today or tomorrow. While Skylinks is a great amenity, it's the management power of Skylinks 98 that's creating even more excitement in the industry.
First, we want to talk about golf. It has been getting a lot of attention as the fastest growing sport in the country, and that popularity is definitely bringing in the green for the marketers. CNBC's Bob Sellers hit the links, so to speak, and filed this report.
The sport of golf gives way to the business of golf this weekend in the Orlando Convention Center. Nothing like the PGA Golf Merchandise Show with more than 1,300 exhibitors and 50,000 in attendance to get players in the mood and retailers in the black. It's not just irons and woods either. It's glitz and glamour, as well as flash and celebrity. High-tech gadgets are also winning. The Skylinks Global Positioning System has a new color monitor and hooks up to a golf cart. It tells you where you are on the hole, how far out you are, and where the green is, kind of like a good caddy. Over 30 golf courses across the country find a $60,000 yearly lease worth the investment.
They use Skylinks to manage rounds, improve play, offer information to the golfers during play. What a caddy would give a golfer information from every point on the fairway, and then back in the clubhouse, information about what's happening on my golf course, how many rounds have been played today, where are all my golf carts right now, is there pace of play problems, and it really is a hands-on management of the course.
In your offices, Skylinks delivers information. From central management stations, you and your staff get real-time data on golf course performance. Information you can use to improve service and profits. Every vehicle is tracked, and sophisticated software evaluates fleet status. Customized alarms alert managers to breakdowns and backups before they bring your course to a crawl. Managers send email messages to individual carts or fleet-wide, enhancing service and streamlining the ranger function. Staff dispatched out to the course are informed, eliminating the need to interview golfers. In addition to real-time tracking, Skylinks monitors course performance, your business. Accurately and automatically, Skylinks counts each round played, allowing you to double-check accounting procedures. Automatic tee sheets with 9-hole pace and turn times give you a backup to answer golfer complaints. Starter sheets and pace of play reports measure the effectiveness of your staff and programs. Additional reports detail hole playing times, fleet usage, and other important information. All of this data can be accessed for a day, a week, a month, or a year. Skylinks Media is a powerful communication channel to your golfers. Through the email link, you can customize tournaments and events. Tournament coordinators send out results and leaderboards during the competition. Skylinks Media allows you to communicate with your golfers through their entire round. Tastefully placed advertisements for national brands add to the glamour of the medium and support your sales at the pro shop, beverage cart, and halfway house. Golf has never been more popular. Skylinks attracts media attention, building rounds, and we'll work with you to build public relations campaigns around the system. To improve play, control rounds, and maximize revenues, you need powerful tools. Your assets are golfers, golf carts, real estate, and time. Skylinks allows you to monitor golfers, golf carts, and your facility, providing easy-to-use data for your use. Never before have all of golf's critical assets been tracked and managed so completely. At a typical course, Skylinks can be completely installed in 2 weeks after paperwork. Other than an antenna on the clubhouse, there are no transmitters installed on the golf course. The system is based on accurate GPS mapping, a process completed out of the way of your players by our ground-based survey teams. We consider service a critical component of our product offering. Skylinks is supported by our field operations group, and regular on-site service visits are included in your package. Technology allows us to offer remote service as well, right down to the individual golf cart, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Through leasing agents, Skylinks offers extremely competitive leasing rates and packages. Leases which make the system a good value for you and for your golfers. This investment is leveraged to increase fees, improve rounds played, convert walkers to riders, and improve operational efficiencies. Software upgrades are included in regular releases at no charge to our clients. And we provide for hardware upgrades as well. A client can upgrade to color monitors or add voice links and emergency button hardware by rolling into an upgraded lease package. It's seamless. Let's take a quick look at what golfers and users are saying about Skylinks.
SkyCaddie basically tells the golfer where they're at in relation to the hole they're on. There's some basic information on it that the hole's 346 yards long, it's a par 4, but it also gives them a couple tips on how to play the hole in case they've never played it at the Badlands.
Get about 381 to the pin. It says here it's a great driving hole. Favor the left as drives may kick right.
What we really enjoy about the SkyCaddie is the fact that when we come out to a desert course like this here, we have no idea what we're shooting into. And the SkyCaddie will show us exactly where our placement is on the course, on the green, on the fairway, wherever it is. It tells you exactly how many feet it is or yards it is to the hole.
I think it's marvelous. This is the most tangible result I can see for the money I give in taxes.
JFK told us back in the space program that there'd be benefits to this, and I'm all for it.
Skylinks is an invaluable tool. Peter Himes, the Heritage Club, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Speed of play has improved by almost 40 minutes. Our golfers love Skylinks. Stephen Johnson, the Carolina Corporation, Pinehurst, North Carolina. Skylinks is a golfer's dream. The Boston Globe. Skylinks has brought us more business. Michael Molesky, the Badlands Golf Club, Las Vegas, Nevada. Our customers love it. Skylinks helps them play the golf courses more quickly and more confidently. Chris McLean, Legends of Stonehouse and Royal New Kent, Williamsburg, Virginia. Skylinks adds instant value to our facilities. Buying Skylinks is a win-win for everyone. Jeff Wine, Gulf South Corporation, Baltimore, Maryland. We've developed a premium first-class facility. Skylinks is a perfect match with our goals in quality and course management. David Leibowitz, Centennial Golf Club, Carmel, New York. Skylinks improves management control of our facilities, and our golfers love it. Tim Helwig, Cobblestone Golf Group, San Diego, California.
Our clients are looking for three things: high-quality products that are easy to use, a long-term commitment to customer service, and strong returns on investment. Our strategy is simple. Focus on these three core strengths and be relentless in our pursuit of customer service. This approach can work for you. Together, we can make your course the next great Skylinks installation. For more information, please call your local Skylinks salesperson or call us directly at 888-890-5253. Thank you.
We're already seeing it in other parts of the country. Golf carts with technology that's available to tell you exactly how far your ball is from where you want it to be, in the hole. The company that has developed the equipment, Player Systems Corporation, is located right here in New England, in Charlestown, Massachusetts.
We were four founders of the company originally, and we started in our president's basement for 2.5 years. Kind of a neat mix of individuals, technology people, some golf people, but a real complete team for different individuals with different skills to bring Skylinks to market.
One gives them exact yardage to the pin on every shot. It gives them information, insider knowledge on how to play this course. It gives them all the information and all the tools they need to make sure they have an enjoyable day out here and the best possible golfing experience.
Bonnie, there's your ball.
Oh, good. How far does it say this is?
You got 107 to the center of the green.
Okay, little trouble to the right.
Yeah. That's my partner.
Great shot.
Oh, right there. All right.
It never hurts, like if I was a first-time player here, or even as a professional, first time around the course, to have a little local knowledge. That's what the little tips give you, a little local knowledge. A few of what you're expecting out there. Besides the straight distance, it tells you a little bit about the bounces and things like this. But it's extremely accurate. We found that, you know, it's right to the yard.
The GPS technology was paid for by our tax dollars. The Department of Defense put it up. Satellites around the Earth for navigation purposes, originally for defense applications. In the last 10 years, the commercial sector has gotten a hold of it, whether it's the aviation folks, whether it's boating industry and golf, and it's really taken off. You're seeing it in rental cars now as well. It just continues to grow.
And also it helps the pace of play. Like if you go out there and you know the distance, you're not fooling around with going back to the cart, grabbing different clubs, going back, you know, everything's right there for you. So it helps things move along faster so people enjoy their day better. We have a monitor in the pro shop where I can see every golf cart on the course, where they are. The system alerts me if there are any gaps. It lets me know every card, how long they've played, where they've played, what their estimated pace of play is. We can send the messages directly from the pro shop, so it's been an enormous tool in helping speed up play.
That group from Charlestown who started in that basement some 5 years ago have prospered. They believe that Skylinks technology will enable the high-end daily fee public courses to provide a country club experience without many of the burdens.
And those course owners are constantly striving to provide a great first-class experience. And Skylinks is obviously a very obvious high-quality amenity that people pick up on right away. And GPS technology really has established itself as an immediate sign of quality for a course.
Nothing stays the same for very long, does it? So satellite technology coming to golf should come as no major surprise to any of us. Skylinks provides precise distances to the green and takes on some of the duties of the ranger as well, making sure that everybody is moving along out there. For the Front Row, I'm Tom Larson.
Want to improve your golf game? Who doesn't? Well, how about a global positioning satellite system? The lowdown on the latest high-tech tool to hit the links. Coming up next on The Edge, the sky is literally the limit. Our Mike Hagedis hits the links in search of the latest high-tech help. With 16,000 golf courses in the United States and the golf industry generating well into the billions of dollars in revenues, opening a new course can be both risky as well as potentially a big-time moneymaker. Managing the risk, of course, is a key factor, and our own weekend duffer Mike Hagedis chips in with a story now about a company that helps golf course developers really do that a bit with satellite technology. I don't know if it's a good day to do satellite technology, but
it was working.
Do it anyway.
It was working earlier. Well, if you're sinking millions of dollars into a golf course, you want to maximize your investment. Get as many golfers out there playing and paying as you can. And if you're paying $65, $75, or $85 to play, you want to maximize your investment too. Get any kind of edge you can. Legal, of course. This is. Peter Leibowitz can play Centennial Golf Club in Carmel, New York anytime he wants. He owns and developed the 27-hole Larry Nelson Architect layout set on over 300 acres. It's a public fees course that opens Friday and will be one of 30 in the country with this, the Skylinks GPS system, a high-tech computer caddy on every cart in its fleet.
If you look at the best players in the world who have caddies that give them the yardage within an inch of a pin placement, why should not we as amateur golfers have the same ability to know exactly where to hit the ball?
Which is what Skylinks and other systems like it are set up to do, using information from the Global Positioning Satellite System to tell you exactly where you are on each hole to within a few feet, the yardage to the green, and give a tip from the pro as to how to hit your next shot.
We feel this is growing to be a $10 to $20 million a year business very, very quickly.
While each cart is installed with a terminal, overall cost on this course $250,000, and this is where the golfer's benefit lies. The business application is in the pro shop.
Their inventory is golf rounds, their assets are real estate, time, the golf cart fleet.
And on the main terminal at the clubhouse, the staff can track them all, know where every cart is on the course at all times, how fast or slow they're playing. And at a projected 50,000 rounds a year at Centennial, that means money. It can even send out
emails, broadcast graphics, media messages.
Skylinks, based in Boston, is one of the top 3 providers of systems like this and has picked up some big-time backing. The John Deere Corporation recently bought a controlling interest, primarily to use GPS technology for course maintenance purposes, turf care applications, mapping fertilizers. But when it comes to golf, there's a much better application.
As the beer cart travels around, it can just tell the people in the hole or 2 holes ahead of time, beverage cart approaching, get your wallet out.
But on the downside, it can't find your lost ball. I found it. So why did Peter Leibowitz, who has built shopping malls and office buildings all over North America, decide to develop a golf course in the greater New York metropolitan area? Just short of 1 million reasons. That's the number of rounds of golf research showed him go unplayed in the area every year due to a lack of high-end public facilities.
Wow.
And yes, I got you ready for the weekend.
I know, you do.
It opens on Friday. You got a tee?
Perfect.
How are we doing this? This is magic.
It is magic, actually.
Golf ball, and you've got your
And I have my little scorecard, and you know what, though? I'm going to have to compete with Joe Kernan. What did you think, Joe?
I think that, you know, if you hit a 7-iron over the green,
Right.
it's a damn satellite up there is all screwed up again. They gave it
Away
the
in the satellite.
That's right. It would have worked, but
pointing away from Earth again.